Today I have a different type of video because I'm going to unbox a Michael Kors bag. Actually, this is the second bag that I'm ordering directly from his website. I have in total 3 bags. One of them I ordered it from another website, but the second one it is from his website. And I want to let you know that the experience of ordering on Michael Kors website is very, very positive. So it's one of the top websites where I have pleasure to order. Their orders are always shipped within 24 hours. I got the standard shipping. You have to pay if you don't shop above 200 euros here in Europe. You have to pay a small amount for shipping. It's around 4 euros. The shipping is very, very fast. Everything came packed really beautifully. And when I opened the box, I was surprised to see that I also have been given a return label with everything prepaid. So in case that I want to return the product, I can do it easily without being worried about the hassle of returning and paying the taxes for that purpose. So I really appreciate. I think I received the same returning label when I first ordered from Michael Kors. This is the package that came in. I will include the footage upon receiving the package where you can see also the returning label. So basically you have this envelope that is written Michael Kors, and inside you have the return label, and it's everything written in English, which I appreciate. Bag came packed in this plastic packaging, and then it was also wrapped. Before plastic packaging, it was securely wrapped in this paper bag, and this is the bag in all its beauty. Look at this. This is the front side and this is the back side. So this is a brown, but compared, I will show you, I have another small bag from Michael Kors that it's brown. This is leaning more towards taupe. On camera I can see that it's more warm shade, but in reality this is like a brown, almost taupey shade. So this bag is the Marilyn medium color block Saffiano leather satchel, and color is DKCML Melange. So it's good to keep to hold the structure of your bag. I'm going to remove the paper that it's wrapped in. Also one detail, this bag doesn't come with dust bag like I have the other one that I'm going to show you, the big bag that I ordered, or actually that was a present for my birthday from my husband. You have a long strap. This is also from leather, and I like that you can snatch it, so you snatch them over here. It also had a protection here. Actually, yeah, here is where I had to snatch the strap, not where I have put it. Okay, even here on the snatch or the snap, it's written Michael Kors. Of course, you are not able to tell because it's very shiny. Here it is. Also, I have a paper here that I need to unwrap. I'm going to take the remaining paper later. Now I want to show you what the bag looks like inside. You have 2 outer compartments. They are loose. You don't have any zipper or clasp. It's just for your non-very important, so you can toss here whatever is handy for you. Of course, not your money and not your cellular. And here it was a paper. Actually, this is a good paper that I'm going to recycle. Inside we have the main compartment. You also have paper, a lot of paper, more paper. I also have the label here, and the zipper inside, it is also protected. It's sealed. All right, inside we have 2 side pockets. We have this one, which is quite large. This is meant for your phone. Actually, let's try, see if it fits. I have the iPhone Pro Max 16, and I have problems to snatch my phone in my bags. So my iPhone Pro Max, it is capable to accommodate there. For this reason, I'm happy that I can store my mobile It's very secure place inside. And of course you have the other compartment which I usually use for my documents, and this is quite large. And here I have another booklet from Michael Kors. So I love the material inside. Everything looks a very high quality, so everything it's so well made inside. The lining is perfect, and if I haven't mentioned and you are not able to tell, the hardware is silver. Alright, so this is the unboxing of my new Michael Kors Saffiano bag. This is from 100% leather. I'm going to include so you can see exactly how it fits together with my rest of the outfit. So this is what it looks compared to the size of my head. And now I'm going to show you as a comparison to my other Michael Kors bag. So you can see the color is different. This is a small crossbody bag. Let me tell you the name. This small bag is the Jet Set Large Leather Crossbody Bag, and the color is luggage. Okay, so this is the luggage color that it is on all Michael Kors accessories, handbags and so on. I can easily fit this inside, and probably I'm going to do so. I also bought this one to use it with my travel bag from Michael Kors, which is this one. If I have to show them side by side, they don't even fit in camera or on camera. This is the travel bag, which I will put the name on the screen, and this is the Saffiano leather bag, and this is also adjustable. Usually I like to have mine shorter, but I can see myself wearing this as a crossbody. Also wanted to give you a small update because last year I also purchased a Guess bag. I think this is the name Adele. Absolutely beautiful color, but wanted to let you know that I don't know if this came like so, but the lining, it is starting to undo. So if you have this kind of experience, and I haven't even worn it because when I've seen that it's starting to undo, I've stopped wearing it. I put it back. So I'm very sorry for what happened. I should have contacted Guess at the time when this occurred, because I don't know, it might have come like this and I did not notice. This I noticed maybe 2 or 3 times after I started wearing it. So I don't think that I have done this. And usually this is not acceptable to have this kind of wear on a high-end bag. So please let me know if you know how to fix that. And also compared to the experience with a Michael Kors website, the experience on Guess, it's not so positive. I mean, from the shipping, from delivery, everything, it's not the same pleasant experience that I had with a Michael Kors. Just a quick update about my makeup, if you are interested. On my face I have this e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. I'm still testing it because I have a review and try on, and spoiler alert, the video is probably already out. I absolutely love it. This has replaced almost all my foundations and I didn't put it down ever since I started to try it. As a bronzer, I have a combination of the e.l.f. Camo liquid bronzer and Say liquid bronzer. This is in the shade Fair to Light and this is in the shade Sand. And as my blush, I have the Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in Not Too Much. Not too much, it's just the perfect cheek color if you want to look put together, because my main focus were the eyes. And for my eyes, because I know that you are curious as of now, I have my Rare Beauty liner, which I didn't grab it. And then for the rest of the eyes, I have the Thirst by Jeffree Star. I believe this palette is discontinued by now. I got mine from Beautylish a while ago when I have gotten a mystery bag, Jeffree Star mystery bag. And this is the eyeshadow palette. So I have several shades. I have this one on transition, then I have this one, then I have this one and this one on the outer corner, and on my mobile lid I have this one. I have the yellow one, which you don't see because it's underneath, and on top I have one of the Huda Beauty Icy Nude foiled shades. So the inner corner I have this teal shade. Love quality of Jeffree Star eyeshadow. Now I'm really going to sign off. So till next time, bye you guys!